guys! Welcome back na naman sa aming channel. And for today's video, meron naman tayong bagong tutorial. It is a sign language tutorial, of course. And ang topic natin for today is question words. So yun na guys, bago tayo magsimula sa ating topic, kung bago ka pa lang sa aming channel, huwag mong kalimutang mag-subscribe. And of course, don't forget to click the notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa aming every video uploads. So yun na guys, without further ado, let's get started. So yun na guys, magsa-start tayo sa mga ilang words na ginagamit natin pang start ng questions. So after naman na ituro sa inyo yung sign nun, gagamitin natin siya in a sentence. And of course, ituturo ko din sa inyo kung paano gamitin yun. So stay tuned guys and keep on watching. First word natin is who. W-H-O, who. So itong index finger natin, ipo-point natin dito, tapos para tayo nag-drawing ng O. Who. Next word. What. W-H-A-T. What. What. Or others use what. Like what or what. Next word is which. W-H-I-C-H. Which. Which. Next word is when. W-H-E-N. When. So, itong isa nating base, yung index finger yung magiging base natin. And then, yung isa nating index finger, parang papaikutin niya to. Papaikutan niya. Yan. When. When. Next word is why. W-H-Y. Why. Why. So, yung palm natin, naka-palm in, nakaharap sa atin, sa face natin. And then, gagawin natin siyang Y. So, palm in, Y. Y. Next word is where. W-H-E-R-E. Where. Next word is how. H-O-W. How. How. Guys, doon na lang ulit nagtatapos ang ating tutorial. So, sana meron kayong natutunan sa akin. And of course, kung bago pa lang sa aming channel, huwag mong kalimutang mag-subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to click the notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa aming every video upload. So, thank you for watching guys and see you in our next video. Bye!